and I know you won't let me go. But I never like to swear, but I never care for being alone. I am not fair to no one there, and no one heard that old man feeling to share. I am my pride, I am said and I am lost and I can't even say why. I am master, I am my pride, I am even say why. Thank you. Thank you so much for the compliments for being here in front of me right now. And again, thank you so much for being here. I'll give you another song. But for this song, I'll give you, actually that song, one of my favorite songs was sung by Bill Diamond. But the next song that I'm going to render is popularized by Kenny Rogers. It is a song titled Lady. Thank you so much. You have come into my life and made me whole. There's so many ways I want to say let me hold you in my arms you have come and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your arms. We belong together. To believe in my soul. For so many ways I want to say I love you. You have come into my life and made me whole. Let me wait to see you each and every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I see no one else but you. There's no other love like Mukhang natahimik tayo. Sa palagay ko, in love tayo ngayon. Kasi yung papanood nating concert mamaya, marinig natin yung mga love songs, mga paborito nating awitin ni David Coveran. So, one more song. But for this time, I'll give you a Tagalog song. Marami naman Pilipino rito eh. Siguro yun, naalala niyo yung lalo na yung medyo may mga edad na kagaya natin. Yan, isang awitin po ito ni Pops Daddy Bass. Kung natatandaan niyo yung hindi ko matandaan yung Ako Sakali Man yan. Okay. First time ko lang po kakanta rito sa Doha ng Tagalog. Wala pa tayo mga kaibigan.